What else? What do you have to say about this game?
It was fun. It was real fun, actually. You know, I've never really experienced anything like that. I'm kind of speechless right now. It was real exciting out there, and I had a lot of fun.
You seem to be well prepared for the game with 3 goals in the first 7 minutes.
Yeah, you know, every time you play St. John, you know, it's close to home, and I like to try and show up and play a good game against them. And tonight, it happened to work out for me.
And for guys like you remembered 8-0 last year.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's not forgotten yet. Yeah, no, for sure. We like to kind of pay them back a little bit. It was playoffs especially, so you know we did that tonight. And next time we play them, hopefully the same thing will happen.
4 goals on the power play. Good night.
Yeah, the power play is great tonight. You know, especially we added Lavoie there. You know, a righty, and gives us a bunch of options, and it worked tonight.
He gave you 2 great passes in front of the net.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, no, I love playing with him already. So hopefully that continues.
Thinking about the game of Sunday against the Cataract, is it kind of dangerous scoring 9 goals tonight? Thinking that it would be easier against Shawinigan Sunday?
I don't think so, no. We know they have a good team. They work really hard, and they're struggling a little bit now, but we know they're going to come and play every night, so we're going to be ready for them.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you.
And they win 4-0 in Quebec tonight, huh?
I heard that, yeah. Like I said, they work really hard, so we got to be ready to compete with them, and you know, hopefully we can outplay them and win the game.
Is it dangerous that your team going in a comfort zone with a game like tonight?
I don't think so, no. I hope not, but we'll see what happens on Sunday. Everyone's going to come ready, prepared to play a game, and we'll be ready.
We'll see you Sunday.
Yeah, sounds good.